Pleasant greetings. My name is Bobo Oye Atọwọda. Ori, the divine essence dwelling within each individual, holds a sacred place in the rich tapestry of Yoruba spirituality. As a spiritual master, I shall illuminate the significance of Ori, unveiling its profound wisdom for your understanding. Ori, often referred to as the inner self or personal destiny, is the unique spiritual essence that distinguishes each human being. It is the spark of divine consciousness intricately woven into the fabric of our existence. Ori represents the individual's destiny, purpose, and spiritual connection to the cosmic forces. In the realm of Yoruba tradition, Ori is believed to be bestowed upon each soul by Oludumare, the Supreme Being. It is the divine gift that guides and influences our life's journey, acting as a compass for our actions, choices, and experiences. Ori shapes our character, talents, and innate qualities, setting the course for our personal growth and fulfillment. Embracing and nurturing our Ori is a fundamental aspect of Yoruba spiritual practice. By cultivating a harmonious relationship with our Ori, we align ourselves with our true essence and unleash our highest potential. Through self-reflection, meditation, prayer, and ritual, we seek to understand and honor our Ori, allowing it to guide us on the path of self-realization and spiritual evolution. The Yoruba believe that Ori has the power to communicate with us, offering guidance, wisdom, and intuitive insights. It serves as a trusted ally and companion on our earthly sojourn, providing a source of inner strength, resilience, and inspiration. By listening to the whispers of our Ori, we can navigate life's challenges with grace and make choices that align with our divine purpose. In essence, Ori embodies the interconnectedness of the individual with the cosmic web of existence. It reminds us of our divine origin and our inherent potential to contribute positively to the world. By honoring and embracing our Ori, we deepen our connection with the divine, transcend the limitations of the ego, and embark on a transformative journey of self-realization. May the wisdom of Ori illuminate your path, enabling you to recognize and embrace your true essence. Through the guidance of your Ori, may you manifest your highest potential and fulfill your divine purpose in this lifetime. I am so grateful that you included me to your day. If you have any questions about Ori or Oludumare or would like to share your experiences, I would love to hear from you. Yes, manifest your destiny.